quick disclaimer, if you have any kind of a nut or tree allergy, I would not advise doing this without professional opinion first. Thanks for watching.
Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors, and in a minute I'm going to show you how to tap a tree bushcraft style, so stay tuned. Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors, and it's almost spring, which means the sap's starting to flow, and what happens is we have a freeze and thaw event. As it freezes at night, the tree actually causes a vacuum and pulls water up to the tree. And during the day, as the sun hits the south side, warms the tree, it releases its sap or fluid. So I'm going to show you a few things. It's kind of cool. Remember our brace bits, our handle. This is a 1/2 inch. And then I made a 1/2 inch wooden spile, and I heat treated it and sealed it with paraffin wax. We'll be using that. Then our collection system will be a mason jar, and I took a piece of paracord with 2 knots on each end, removed the cordage inside so it lays flat. I'm going to use a coffee filter today, and then you just screw the lid back on for something to hang on. So what you want to do is find a good spot, and I usually come up about 2 feet on the trunk or so, and drill at a slight angle. And you only want to go about 2 inches, which is yay, into the sapwood. You don't want to go clear through into the heartwood. This is a black walnut tree. Almost all of your hardwoods you can actually tap for sap, whether it's for drinking or making syrup. Okay, now we got that cleaned out. You want this to where your notches I made for hanging are up. And take your brace bit, shove it in there. There we go. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and use a twist tie to hold it in place. And as it warms up today, it should start dripping. All right. There you go, and we'll come check it later. Okay folks, well, we're back in town, and I decided to tap one of my silver maples that I have here, and the flow is much greater than the black walnut. So we're going to go ahead and pull this, take it back, and give it a taste test. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're back, and I've got about almost 4 ounces. This is about a 3-hour tap, so do the math there. And the black walnut flows much slower right now, of course, but smells very mapley. Smells good. We're going to try it out. We're going to break in the new Kukska cup. Rubber band. And it's just clear as water. That's good.
kind of like berry diluted sugar water. It's awesome. So anyway, check out what you can do in your area. I know our conservation department right now next weekend is doing a tree tapping seminar, and explore it. Try it out yourself. Of course, don't be tapping trees you don't have permission to tap. Find out local permission or your local government options on how to do this, and it will not hurt the tree. You're tapping in the sapwood. If it's a harvestable timber, the sawmill will cut that off anyway before they start slabbing out for resellable hardwoods or woods. But that's dandy. Very good. So if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll show you some more stuff later. Thanks for watching.